yeah, let's go. Let's get this started. Let's do a little intro. Welcome everybody. We're going to be doing a little stream today, a little tutorial. It's a very complex tutorial, so bear with me, folks. This is my first time doing one, so I just want to get back to the YouTube community and start spreading some of the stuff I know out to other viewers and also to the EDC and knife community. What I'm trying to do right now is more than anything, we're trying to step up and evolve the knife industry and the EDC community. Let me explain to you how. How with NFT files, with cryptocurrency and NFT files. I know some people think it's crazy, but you gotta look into it a little more and you're gonna understand what we mean. See, here at Aliengage, we're always looking at new ways to innovate the knife industry. NFT files have seen a large surge of interest over the past years, and we're looking at new methods of incorporating NFT files within the knife industry. The NFT files we create are designed to resolve real-life issues, one being cloning of high-quality knives. Cloning is the process of manufacturing to replicate an original product. Clone versions of products sell for a much lower price and affect the livelihood of the original artist who created the design. NFT files can serve as a form of proof of authenticity and certification for knives. The NFT files, the images will also generate a binding contract on a blockchain recording the owner as it is sold and traded. This is just, it just makes perfect sense. Why not incorporate this into the knife industry? It will help reduce the cloning of knives because then you can always trace back to the proof of authenticity to the original manufacturer of the knife. And there's a blockchain with records correlated to the knife as it's being traded or sold as it's leaving the manufacturer. Not only that, this is kind of, this is the way things are these days. The government, as times evolve, they're trying to trace and track everything down more and more. They always want to keep an eye and control us more and more. It makes, there's just the way life has been since the beginning of times. So this would also help with any kind of like police investigations, for instance. If I'm selling a knife and this knife ends up being found at a scene of a crime and there's a serial number correlated to it, then the officer would be able to go into our website and check the records of the currency that was involved, or the NFT file in this case, correlated to the purchase of that knife on our website. And then they would be able to go into the records of the Polygon transaction hash and trace who the rightful owner or who it was traded to, and just check the full records of the knife and where it's been sold and sent to. At that point, you can even go and look for IP accounts. So this is kind of genius and many methods to incorporate this into the knife industry. I'm sure we're the first. We're going to be the first to do this, but you're going to see people. This will be done not just by us, but by many other companies. And I hope they end up contacting me and have me be the guy to end up starting their projects and help them fund their everything. Just let me be the guy to help other companies incorporate this into their business, since I already know how to do it. We can all work together. Just contact me at Aliengage, Luis Davo. Let's get this started. So with the tutorial, we already have our page on our website. You can go to our website, aliengage.com, and you'll click on the NFT tab right there on the top. It's going to send you to this page where it talks about what we're doing. The first batch of 99 of these NFTs, 2 have already been minted, but obviously I minted them just to test the program out. But they're going to be limited edition NFT files of our logo, the first batch. And whenever you buy one of these using Polygon crypto, because it has very low gas fees, so it's very energy efficient, they're only $4 an NFT file. And then when you get this NFT file, you'll be the rightful owner of the file. That will allow you to then upload or share your image on our Discord, or just let us know that you're one of the owners of this NFT file by sharing the hashtag from Polygon. or whatever method you want to do so on Discord. And then we're going to go ahead and enter you into a giveaway for a MIDI DX2 and JG10 for the month of October. So basically for $3.87 or so, $4, you could win a knife and then plus other goodies for the month of October. And if this ends up blowing up and it's something that's like an affordable project to keep going, and we may even be able to do it so that these NFT files for this month will then give you access to next month's drawings as well, and so forth, depending on the demand and surplus and everything and how all this grows. It'll probably give you more lockable content as time goes on. So check this out, and you could click this link right here to go ahead and join our Discord. But for now, I'm going to show you folks how to go ahead and get started. First, you're going to need to go ahead and go on any kind of like cryptocurrency exchange website, like whether it's like Coinbase, or whether you're going on to Kraken, or if you're using crypto.com. Anything that you're going to be using is your personal preference to go ahead and purchase some Polygon. You're going to go ahead and go on to, like, for instance, Coinbase, search Polygon, buy some Polygon, whether it's with your PayPal account or your personal debit account, any kind of account, credit card you want to use to go ahead and purchase some Polygon. I recommend starting with like $20. Buy some $20 worth of Polygon. Then once you have the Polygon purchased, you're going to go ahead and go into google.com. And you're going to go ahead and search, you're going to go ahead and search for MetaMask. You're going to type in MetaMask, or any kind of wallet that you feel comfortable using. Or if you already have a wallet, that's great. So you're going to go ahead and download a wallet. Like, for instance, at this point, I'm going to use a MetaMask wallet because I like it, and I already have one on this computer that we're using. So you're going to go ahead and click download, or if you're going to go ahead and download it on iOS or Android, that's another option too if you're using your phone to go ahead and download the NFT. You can go ahead and download the MetaMask app on your Android or iOS device as well. Once you download and install it, it's going to give you a key code. Make sure you do not lose that key code, because if you lose that code, you're screwed and you could lose all your crypto. So make sure you keep that in a safe place. Do not lose the key generated codes that they give you, and go ahead and create your account, log in, and at that point you're going to go ahead and go back into your account that you used to purchase the Polygon, and you're going to go ahead and send that Polygon using the Polygon system, because once you go into the MetaMask, you're going to have to be in MetaMask, you're going to have to use the Polygon network. Make sure you're not on the Ethereum maintenance, the Binance Smart network. Make sure you're on the Polygon, which is the Matic network. It's the same thing. I just added it twice as a form of example. You're going to go ahead and add it on there. You're going to go ahead and send it to the crypto wallet key code or the wallet address. So you're going to go ahead and hit your MetaMask. And once you go ahead and go in here and add the Polygon network or the Matic network, you're going to go ahead and be on it. You're going to go ahead and select that network as the generated network for the wallet. Once you're in there, you're going to see an account number, which is your wallet address. You're going to go ahead and copy that address, because that's the address that you're going to go ahead and send the crypto, the Polygon to. So you're going to go ahead and send the Polygon to that MetaMask wallet address. Once you receive the Polygon into your MetaMask wallet, it will be in here. I have 17 Matic right now, and here's actually some of the files, the 2 files I'm in it as a test. It's funny too, because once you're in the MetaMask network, if you're using the MetaMask network on a phone, it'll give you an option to actually generate the NFT files. But when you're on a desktop, for some reason, it doesn't show the NFT files on a MetaMask wallet. It shows them as tokens, and I'll show you about that right now. But then you're going to go ahead and go back to our website at aliengage.com or aliengage.com, either or. They'll put you to the same website. You're going to click NFT, and then once you click on the NFT, you're going to go ahead and hit the mint button. Once you hit the mint button, it'll pull up the wallet. You're going to agree on the contract, and once you agree on the contract, you're going to click on the mint button again. Because for some reason, you've got to accept the terms of the contract or connect yourself to our website with your wallet, and then once you're in there, you're going to click the mint button, and you're going to go ahead and buy one for $5 It's only $3.87, like I was mentioning, $4 to go ahead and buy one of these NFTs that are going to enter you to get one of our high quality, amazing knives. You purchase the $5, you hit confirm. Once you hit confirm, you're going to be, it'll generate purchase of the minted $5, and it'll look like this. I'm not going to purchase anymore. I'll just do one more just for the fuck of it. So I'll go ahead and hit confirm right here. And then once you hit confirm, it's going to go ahead and generate it. It's saying pending right now, but it's generating the transaction. It should finish any minute now. See, I can hit speed up, and it'll charge me a little bit more fees, which is like nothing, like pennies. But we'll just let it do its thing. There we go. Confirm transaction. View on the Etherscan. You can even click on the Etherscan, which is pretty cool. It lets you. Right now it's still loading, but you can go back to your wallet, and you can go ahead and go to Assets 5matic, and you'll see that you minted it. Once you click on the mint, it'll show you the transaction on the Block Explorer, which is the Polygon network. The Polygon scan network, which is what I was mentioning previously, that will be a record of the rightful owner of a knife. This is how we're going to be selling our knives in the future. For now, this is the first batch of NFTs. We're just using it as a giveaway. And then it'll unlock other content as time goes on. So you're going to go in here, and it's going to give you the information of the transaction hash, the block ID, the timestamp of the transaction from myself to this wallet right here. And right here, it's going to show you the mint of 2 tokens transferred to, and it gives you all the information on the transaction right here. Right now, what we're going to need is the contract. Right here, see how it says contract? We're going to need the contract. We're going to need to copy that right there, which is the contract address. You're going to copy that. You're going to go back into your MetaMask wallet. And because you're not going to be able to see the NFT file once you purchase it. It'll be in your records of your mint, but you won't be able to generate the you won't be able to see it here. You see that how it says 2 right there? That's not going to show up on your end. You're going to have to make that generate, which is the NFT on the desktop. So you're going to hit import token, and you're going to copy that address right here. Mine already says token has already been added. That's why it's showing. And you're going to put the token symbol, so the one of token ID, and it'll show you right here the token ID. So then right there you'll put number 3, which is the one that was minted, the one that you received. And the token contract address, again, the contract address is right here, contract, and this number right here, you'll put it in here. Mine has already been added, so it's going to go ahead and be right here. And you're going to go ahead and click there, and it shows the 3 I minted is a beta test. We're just testing it out right now. It's working perfectly fine. Aliengage.com. And it'll show that you're the rightful owner of 3 Aliengage NFT files. You can go ahead and share the transaction number with us on our Discord, or if you're on another thing you can do, which is pretty cool, you can go on OpenSea. Now that your MetaMask wallet is pulled up, you can go and Google OpenSea. And this is pretty cool because I haven't even seen the ones that I minted. So you're on Google, you can go ahead and search OpenSea. And then once you're on OpenSea, you're going to want to go ahead and just click connect on that wallet on the top right here. You're going to click connect wallet, MetaMask wallet. Mine's already connected. It's showing I have $13 worth of Polygon left, and just, just a little dummy wallet I'm using right here. But the cool thing is that it's going to show me my NFT files in here. This should show me the NFT files. Let's see how to do it. I think you click right here on your image, and then right here, it should, oh wow. So it'll show you the files that were minted already. One I gifted, here are 2 other ones that I just minted right now. This is the last one that was minted. It's number 69. That was dope. And then this one right here, which is number 79. So I'll go ahead and gift these to anybody that comments in the box below and goes ahead and starts the first steps and downloads their MetaMask wallet and gives me their Polygon address and their MetaMask wallet account. I'll go ahead and just send one of these NFT files to the first person to send me the address in the comment box in their wallet, or their MetaMask or any wallet that they're using. Just go ahead and go into the comments box and give me your address in the comments box below for your Polygon address in your wallet, and I'll go ahead and send you one of these files as a gift just for watching and looking at how we're doing this. But these are the 2 files. Then you can go ahead and join our Discord on our website. Click here to join our Discord and just do the same thing, follow the steps. We're already in here. You can go ahead and just share the image, upload it into this month's giveaway contest, which is right here. And you're all set, man. You can go right here and just, you can share the image, share the Polygon scan number, whatever you want to do, and we'll get this started for you folks. This is going to be awesome. I'm so excited to share this method of doing giveaways and incorporating crypto and just a whole new method of evolving the knife industry and this EDC community and just stepping things up a whole new level for you folks. So I can't wait until I see you folks buying these NFT files for chump change and seeing all the goodies and rewards you're going to be able to get for them. And remember, these are when you own the file, they're equivalent to that much Polygon. So you're not losing anything at the end. Even if you end up not winning the contest, you still have an equivalency of that much in Polygon that you can go ahead and trade in the future to someone else. Trade NFT files. There's so much you can do with them. The possibilities, like what I've shown you guys and how I'm incorporating this into the knife industry, are endless. So thanks for watching. I don't know if there's anything else I missed. I'm just so happy to be back. I've been gone for about almost a year now, just due to some personal situations we were having going on in the family, and everything. I got it all back together. I'm just so glad to be here with you folks. I feel so blessed. So thanks for watching. Thanks for taking this time to watch this tutorial and learning and becoming a little bit more knowledgeable with me about what's to come with our country and our operating systems, our currency trading systems, because this is just the beginning of what's yet to come. And perfect example is Staples. The Staples Center, it's been bought out and is now crypto.com. That's what the basketball, the stadium is in LA. It's now called crypto.com. And I think it's in Compton. So yeah, I mean, it ain't going nowhere. I think the contract's for like 10 or 20 years. So believe me, this is just the beginning of what's to come and how professional this is all going to be incorporated into our business here soon. This is the beginning of many things to come. So thanks again for watching and have a great day.